Daisy. Perfect. What are we waiting on? Oh, YouTube. Again. That's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, we're there. Perfect. 5 of 5. Like it even bloody matters at this point. Good evening, everyone. I hope you're well. Let's turn that off and that off. There we go. Now it's only in my headphones. Perfect. So I always wondered what it actually sounds like to anyone anyone listening from outside my room. It must sound like I'm a crazy person. Hey, Sundry, how are you? The first person. You're never first, Sundry. What, you got nothing to do tonight? Jesus. You must be really bored. Really bored. So, I apologize for not being able to stream on Tuesday. Just the internets were out. I didn't have much of a choice. So if you don't like it, boo to you. But I'm back now. I got a little bit of work done. I got watching another game dev stream. Oh, fair enough. I'm glad I'm worth jumping over. Hope it was a good stream. I know I have a mixed feeling about people leaving other streams to come watch mine. Because I'm like, oh, well, that poor other person. But then I'm like, fuck them. I'm important too. So I was saying, I added in some more lore. I wrote a lot on Tuesday. At least I think it was a lot. I got it almost all in. I think there's 2 or 3 more pieces I got to put in. And then I realized I think Hugo had mentioned, maybe a couple other people had mentioned it as well, but the tutorial, I guess the opening scene, there's no real precedence for the character. There's no real character. It's just a guy that's just there and you control him. So I started fixing that now. I've moved around the tutorial. So you start at a different place. And I think it's roughly the same length, maybe a slight bit longer. But there's a very tiny bit of backstory at the very beginning. And I'm going to add in some things like the character would find along the way, like really easy to find stuff, but basically just to one, why is the player going the way he's going? And two, oh, hey, Dev. That is kind of rude. See, I can't even say that, oh, the girls suck, because like guys do that shit too. That's it's still like stuff like that just backs up my premise that, you know, sometimes persons can be awesome, but people generally just suck as a whole. And I mean WHOLE. No, everybody sucks. No, like everyone has their bad moments, don't get me wrong. I mean, I try to be as nice as I can, but sometimes I might be a prick, and maybe I don't even know it. Like maybe look, and again, I'm not trying to advocate for this girl, but I can't. Maybe she was actually genuinely concerned, or maybe she was a stark raving bitch. I don't know. But there's always two sides to a coin, and unfortunately, you can only see one side at a time. So, oh well, then yeah. So she wasn't being rude. She was being like some people like. Was it good intentions are often fraught with disappointment? So like she might have intended to sound concerned or want to help, but maybe she came off a bit well, rude. So it is kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. It is a bit chuckle-ish. So either way, I hope you're okay. In any case, but yeah. Christ Almighty. So. Yeah, where's my head? What else did I do? Yeah, like I said, I've just been trying to add little tidbits of lore. One thing. Oh, you're not okay though? Oh shit. Hope it's nothing too bad. All right, I'll do my best. And again, take my, if it's advice, with a very, very small grain of salt. I mean, in the end, what do I know? But I'll do my best. Oh, okay. Okay, this is taking a turn. Yes, that's true. Although, again, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have too much experience with, I've experienced, but not a lot of experience with with marijuana. it just puts my ass to sleep, so I never really got into it. But I never found it to be a gateway drug. I never found it like, oh, I've smoked a joint, so where's that 8 ball of cocaine? Like I've never had that. But oh, the person, yeah, that's, yes, because you would be, at least in my point of view, associating that person with the relief that what they have gives you. So, I mean, some people have that addiction with drugs, some people have it with sex, some people have it with alcohol, whether that's drugs as well, money, gambling, anything like that. So I can't even do it anymore, Sandra. Like I said, it's been a long ass time. Just because it's just, yeah, just like I said, it just puts me to sleep. I don't even drink anymore, really. Very rarely do I drink. But Dev, yeah, like if you know that, like if you feel that that's a possibility, then just you're gonna, like, the only real way to do it is just break it off, like break that cycle, for lack of a better word. Like just don't find another way to not necessarily fill the void, but like you find another way to distract yourself from it. That's the only. And I know it sounds easy. I'm sorry. I know it sounds like I'm making it easy, but like, just, you know, I mean, you know, don't start cutting yourself or anything, but like, you know, go for a run. I mean, that's the number one thing that everyone has always told me. You know, hey, if you're bored, or, you know, don't eat that giant bowl of kids cereal, go for a run. Sucks, but like, well, again, like it's I think what they're trying to say is find something else to distract yourself in those moments of, you know, that when you feel yourself being pulled back into behavior that, you know, like you've already admitted that you think it's going to be a problem, whether it's a problem now or not, like you're aware of it, which is good. But I think you should, like, now that you're aware of it, you should try to be aware of what those triggers are and keep away from those triggers. If they're people, then they're people. Well, okay, fair enough. What? No worries. What do I know? I'm just, like I said, I've just lived a little bit of a life. Just, you know, don't run near water, or not near water. Don't run near, you know, cars driving super fast. I don't know what that means, but I know what Diablo means. Okay. The devil. That's something with, I know L is the, Diablo must be the devil. I don't know the other words. If you don't translate, that's okay. You can just leave me wanting. Either way, good luck on your run. I hope it alleviates. But like I said, find whatever those triggers are now that you're aware of the outcome, and just try to stay the fuck away from those triggers, or do everything you can to at least minimize them. Ah, gotcha. Close enough. No, look, it's okay. I'm still working on translating English to English. So, fair play. Okay, I'm gonna jump in because I can't, I got stuff to do. So, the tutorial now starts at the police station. It used to start over here. Now it starts over here. So instead of going down this way, wait, is that the way it went? Oh, it was down here, then through here. Now you start the police station. And the bit of backstory is that because of whatever has happened, the police have said, okay, everyone in jail, get the fuck out. Like, you know, there's a problem here. Everyone's, you know, get the fuck out. So that's why. So you were a prisoner. We don't know why you were in there. We don't know anything, but you were in jail. Don't know why yet. And they're like, everyone get the fuck out of jail. We're releasing everyone. Get the fuck out of Dodge. And I have a note that I wrote here tonight that, oh, yeah, I know what that is. Is that it? Yeah, so it's, for some reason, if I don't hit the display button once, you could see the face tracker. Like, it's actually tracking my face. I really should just turn autofocus off. But the problem is, if I turn autofocus off, if I go back this far, I start to become out of focus. And it's, I don't have a good range of focal range at, what f-stop am I at? 1.4. So, but yeah, it's done now. So yeah, so I have a note here that there's going to be on a dead guy, basically, like you'll see when I put it in there, but basically it's the reason why the player might be going, like, is trying to find that bunker that they originally go into. So I still got a lot to fill in. I need like this is where you start here, and it's very empty here, and it feels very weird, just like it feels like it's not right. So I think when it fades in, I'll have maybe some other people running out, like running away, like maybe other prisoners that are also released, maybe a cop or two. And then you meet the first dead cop here, and the rolling triggers here. Those little zombie guys are there. You get the gun here now. There's some extra zombies to kill. And I might throw something in here. I don't know. But maybe here's where I'm gonna put that note. Or either here, we'll find out. And then everything else has stayed the same for now. So just trying to add in a little tidbits. I'll obviously have to keep working at the story-wise, adding stuff in as needed. Why is that? Oh, the gizmo, sorry. Oh, that needs to be widened a bit. That's fine. Thanks for letting me know about the camera though, Sundry. Appreciate it. Okay, so first off, I need a dead guy, which shouldn't be too hard to find. Body. Burned body, prop body. What's this one? No, it's in a bathtub. We don't want that one. No, it's a hospital bed. Tied up in a chair. We don't want you. On a cross, Jesus. Yeah, we can use you. So what did I say? We're gonna stick it right in this intersection. Put you there. Hey. Oh, why is my phone blowing up? Oh, fucking chat. So then right there, I need a mesh collider, and we need a nav mesh obstacle, carve. Looks good. And now I need a note. So, like, what do I have for paper? Paper. Is Unity dying on me again? Or torn wallpaper. Ah, no. Newspaper? No, we don't newspaper. Paper bottle. Rolled up paper, no. Toilet paper, Jesus. Papers. Nope. Don't need you. I just need like a note. No. A file. Paper tray. Okay, maybe I just put note. Notepad. Hey, I knew I had one. That's a monitor. Sticky note, no. Yeah, we'll go with this one. We'll take you and drop you there. Actually, wait, what am I doing? Hold on. Let's delete you. I have a few of these already, and I can just edit them. That'll be much fucking faster. So if I go to my prefabs, and then where's my level prefabs? Hello, they're in here somewhere. Indoor areas, info item prefab. Ah, here we are. So I want I think I have a notepad one somewhere around here. Is it? Then the scene 4 is where I have one. Warehouse note, shopping list note, trailer park house note. We put that one there. Whoop. So we're going to change this to scene 0. And we're going to go, I'm just going to call it bunker note. Hey, hero, how are you? Bunker note. Bunker note. Next track. Boom. And before I go any further, where's info items? Whee! And the guy, I can just leave him there for now. Now the bunker note, I need to go not there. I need to go there. And we have to adjust what it says. So unfortunately, scroll view, where's viewport? Jesus, this is so buried. Text, thank you. Okay, so there's lots in here, so you'll forgive me, but I wish. Oh, actually, you know what? We're gonna do this. Give me 2 seconds. This thing, though, get over here. Let's make this smaller. This is so lore folder, go back, open it up. So I'm going to add another one in here. We're gonna add a child element. We're gonna call it bunker note. This is just so I have them. Chapter? No, it's world, isn't it? Yeah, world. Doesn't matter. And then I will just take these writings. It's an awesome program and it's free and everyone should use it. It's awesome, 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 awesome. Just look up hackandplan.com. Now there is a paid version which has some really cool little features, but like even the free version, you can still have if you a few. I think maybe you can even add unlimited users to it. I think I haven't looked it up. I had the studio version before when I was much more focused on not more focused, but like I was more into design docs. And one of the things you can do, I'll just write this whole thing. Temp. Just to show everyone around. Is there create? So on your design model, everything that you have in here, you can actually export. I'm not sure. Is it export? Yeah, export game design doc, and it puts it in a templated game design document with every one of these as its own header, and it lays it out. And you can put pictures in here. You can have links to different things. It's phenomenal. You can track metrics for what people are doing when they're doing them. You can have a backlog. They have Kanban boards, like my to-do list is here, which, sorry, you're not really seeing it good. So all the stuff I haven't updated this in a while because I just haven't needed to. So all the stuff that like you guys have reported to me, I've thrown in here. So this is like the spider bots, all this stuff is done. I just haven't sat there and actually went through and tested it. But yeah, you can, add in different elements of it, assign it to different people if you want, and then you can just move it around, like, if you're working on that one, just to keep track of what's going on, when it's going on. Boards, dashboards, I think you can, yeah, so you can track everyone that's, even if it's just you though, it's still worth having, being able to keep everything that you want, like all my player controls. I mean, it's, obviously this is not updated. I haven't needed to update this in a while. Resource manager, this doesn't exist. There's no stamina in the game. But this one, location, all my player items, it's so much easier to keep track of everything in here. And you can link them around. Like I can link, for example, the bottle of water. I can link that to say a lore item. Hey, can I open? Oh, it's because I have that open. Oh, I think I broke it. That's weird. I think I broke it. Anyway, Codex, yeah, that one's good too, Sundry. I think I broke it. I think I just broke this though. Let's find out. Login. Design model. Oh, there we go. Where's bunker note? There it is. Anyway, I have to write this, so I'm gonna write it here. You can use markup in here as well, and like I said, it's nice to be able to link. Now, the only thing you can't do is extract. So say I put all my dialogue in here, I can't have Unity point to this and like pull it down, which sucks. And it only exists as a web page. You can't, there's no offline. Like I use Microsoft Edge. Edge has this really cool thing where like you open up a web page and you can go to the settings folder, go to apps, and you can install that web page as an app on your desktop. It's basically a shortcut, but it opens up in its own window. Yeah, you would, yeah. There's one that I really liked. It's called Artisy something. Artisy 3 it was really awesome, and you can export that straight into Unity. It's more so for like really heavy dialogue games. My next game, I'm not going to use Fungus. I'm just not going to use it. I think I know enough. I think I know enough code or programming tips and tricks now that I won't have to rely on any of the easy visual scripting stuff. And I'm just going to buy a proper dialogue editor, like a proper one. Yeah. Have you seen Artisy, Sundry? Look that up. You might have. Like, if you already have the one that you... Come on, you already have the one you have. Artisy Draft, that's what it's called. Let's make this smaller. Yeah, this one's awesome. So yeah, if you want, look that up. Artisy Draft. It's really good. Although this webpage is kind of shitty. Anyway, yeah, look it up. If anyone out there is interested in any of that kind of stuff. You can give it a shot if you want next week. Yeah, I might. Oh, is that what you had posted in there? Those plugin things that you posted in Miscellaneous? Because if it is, that's cool. Oh, it's not? Okay. Then how do I try it out? Oh, you mean the Artisy or the codec? Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Yes, I will then. Yep, I totally will. Has an old bunker in the backyard. It's funny, I wrote this and I can't remember. We were supposed to meet up and head there together. One of those. I should have did this before the stream. I'm sorry, everyone. Oh my good God. One of those. Again, this is a work in progress. Monsters. I don't know what to fucking call them. Took a good chunk out of me. Took a good chunk out of me. So if you're okay. So if you're reading this, I swear my keyboard's double typing. I'm probably dead. I'm probably dead. Okay. You can find the house just down the highway. Just down the highway next to the hospital. This ought to be edited. It should be stocked up well enough. There we go. So now I just take that. The reason why I like doing it in here first is because this actually has a spell checker, whereas in Unity, it does not. So this is what we want here. Paste that in. And we'll actually, let's make this -90 and 0. Yeah, and let's see if that actually fits in the, of course it's upside down. Oh yeah, that fits. What did I say, 153? Doesn't matter. So all I need to do now is drop this. Oh wait, there's one thing I need to do. It's the camera. I need to hook into it. And we're gonna test this real quick. And we'll drop this into there. Original prefab. I think that's it. And oh, actually one thing I might do though is take the scroll view. Where's the color, the image? Yeah. Yeah, I don't need it that dark. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna turn, I'm gonna mute everything. I'm just gonna play till I get to it. Just might as well for now. Yeah, so I have already saved it. I already made a little save, so you don't get to see the opening there. It's just a black screen with some text on it, but see how this is just so empty? I need to fill it with stuff. How come the camera didn't go off? Yeah, I told you I redid the... Oh, at least he's running. I redid the tutorial starting, so like I said, I gotta fill it in a lot. So why isn't the... Press space to roll through enemies to avoid damage? Yeah, that's fine, so that's still the same. Whee! And I should get the gun here. Yep, click. And then, where did I? Oh, it's just past this part. Yes. So the player light when I roll. Whee! Yeah, I know what you mean. So it should be here. So if I click on that, actually, that's pretty fucking perfect. My father's house is no bunker in the backyard. We were supposed to meet up and head there together. One of those monsters took a good chunk of me, so if you're reading this, I'm probably dead. You can find the house just down the highway next to the hospital. It should be stocked up well enough. Back. Okay, so that, hopefully that little tidbit. Oh, hey, Vainbrain. It gives a bit of, a little bit more reasoning as to why the player's going where they're going. And then hopefully as they round this corner, I want to put some triggers on those runners. All of a sudden you see the ambulance, so you realize this is the hospital. And this stuff still works, right? Yeah. So you realize this must be the hospital. I'm hoping that enough ambulances does. And you can find the highway here. So I might put a sign here for, I don't know, like a sign right there, like, you know, interstate something. Just to really sell it. And then, yeah, everything else is the same. Cool. Yeah, so there's no point in keep playing this. So that's fine. At least that's one more thing added in. Now, what I really want to do, I really want to try is, know those runners. Those runners, I want to put dialogue triggers on them. So as the player passes them, they stop and they'll say, like, you know, what, you know, I'm trying to get out of here. Everywhere's blocked, like something along those lines. And then that runner turns on another runner. That's like, you know, say the first runner you run into is right here. And then that will turn on a runner that say starts, I don't know, here, and they start running. So as the player gets down here, the player would run into it, and then maybe another little something, or maybe I only need one. I don't know. But something, I don't know if it's going to be a police officer or just a normal person, but something along the lines of basically trying to sell the idea that they're trying to find a way out of town. They're trying to get out. You know, everywhere's blocked off. Like, you know, do you know where to go? And have the player say no, like, whatever. I don't know, something along those lines. So I want to choose, where are my runners? Where's the running humans? Where's the first one? Why do I have one starting there? That's awful. You can start here. And you are there, it's fine. You start there and you start there. That was weird. So this one, the first waypoint is position 1, which is, that's perfect. Okay, so right on that runner. Running human. Dialogue triggers, running humans. This one. I can put a dialogue trigger on. Now what see, this is gonna be a bit weird because I'm not, the only problem with this is I don't have any control as to when, like I can make sure the dialogue trigger is the size of like all, like the areas the player's running in, but there's no way to know if the player's gonna hit them head on or to the left or to the right. So if I do one of those VCAM position things, I don't know. Nice way to test. But then that means the character themselves needs, oh, it uses the player one. I can make them go idle. Be a fun one to play around with just to see. Because then I just might change it to be a police officer or something. Or maybe I'll just have a fucking police officer sitting on the corner here. Or fuck it, I don't know, maybe out here. And then the player just, actually if I put a cop right here in this corner, the player has to pass through here. So at the very least, I'll know it'll be there. Yeah, I might do that. Thing is, I just don't have the dialogue. As in, I don't have a, but I'm just spitballing here. It's actually, it's not bad. I'm just trying to sell the idea of, you know, maybe the cop says, you know, you got to get the fuck out of here. You got to get out of town. Something bad's happened. We don't know what's going on. You know, basically say, hey, find yourself a weapon. Try to get the hell out of town. Something like that. Something to sell the idea of leaving. So, but I'm not going to fill this out right now because I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch me fill this. I don't know how to fill that space properly. I just mocked this up real fast tonight. But what I might do is, first of all, I got to save this. And I'm going to continue on with the other ones. So the ones that I've done, I did the hospital notice, the new whiteboard, the trailer park house, the shopping note, the warehouse note I've done. These two I might skip. So I can do these two here. And then there's a facility, and I already did the bunker note. So there's a couple there to do. And then maybe we'll do some testing. Maybe we'll come back to the tutorial. See if I should probably put those cop cars actually in more of a diagonal. That's just a big dead area. Actually, I'm going to do that now. It's just a big, ugly area that just doesn't need to be there. So put you roughly there. They don't have to be exact. Cop cars, you're gonna put the cop cars. Something basically that, yeah. Something along those lines. Again, work in progress. Fix it in post. No, I want the lights. Yeah, that's fine right there. Cover as much ground as possible. I'll rebake the bitch. So, like, are they fighting zombies and yell at the player? See, that's what I mean. I don't know. Like, cause the more complex I go, like I'd like to have that. I'd like to have at least one. I'd like to have one. One. I don't know what you want to call it, like dialogue or something. So maybe when the player. How do I say it? Because right in here, like I guess the new starting area. I don't really want any zombies. I want because this is meant, to get the player to learn how to, run around, move. Like I want enough interesting things that kind of tell a story, a very generalized story. Like see a bunch of dead bodies. There's a bunch of cop cars. Everything's in disarray. There's a blood, but not until maybe I could put maybe a zombie here or so the player has to kind of try to avoid it, and then once they get here, once they see a few, that's the rolling thing, and then. I might ramp this up too, put more zombies in here to kill. I don't know. Hey, Dev. Didn't go running? I was going to say that's a fast-ass run. Favorite song? I'm a huge fan of the band Rancid. Believe it or not. I grew up as a punker. Yeah, I know, right? So I still, every so often, I still listen to some of their stuff. I also like Mighty Mighty Boss Tones. I don't know. Favorite, favorite song you asked. A Black Lung by Rancid was a pretty good song. I really like that one. Yeah, those guys. Although most of their stuff isn't that catchy. Put it that way. I need you and you and you to a certain extent. Yeah, we'll take you as well. And you. So let's mark those as not walkable. Bake like a motherfucker. There we go. So there, and now it's more. I might even move these crates in too. Oh, fair, fair enough. Yeah, I can move these in. I don't even, these crates don't even really fit the scene, but they're just in there for the sake of being in there. These are marked as not walkable. Why are these marked walkable? That's just dumb. No off-mesh links. It's fine. I can clean that up as well. Yes, that's, I don't know, I need something in there. But like, again, this isn't why I'm doing this. Fire truck. So yeah, I said I wanted to clean that up and I did. Camera movement. I can put that there. Okay. Save that. I also need to add some fire in some of these. Oh, any building that's kind of been destroyed needs to be on fire. That's all. What? See, these aren't marked. This is going to drive me mad. These need to be marked nav static, or no, sorry, not walkable, and no off mesh links. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really hate working at this resolution. It's driving me bonkers now. I am so hell-bent on prolonging my new CPU purchase to get another monitor. To like this is, I love this monitor, it's great, but it's just taking up so much space on my desk, which is fine, but I think I might go down to a 32, another 32, because it's just 4K is awesome, but it's, I don't know, maybe I'm just, I don't know, what am I doing? No, it's 16 by 9. I'll see if I can find the was it Philips BD? Yeah, that's it. No, it's not a 65. Jesus Christ. 40. Yeah, where is it? It's not 65. That one? No, it's not that one. Oh, there it is. It's this one. Oh yeah, no, fair enough. Yeah, so it's, what is the ratio? Does it even say? Oh no, it's 16 by 9. Yeah. But it's not, I don't know. I don't like the panel. Anyway, what am I doing? Was he down? Yeah, so I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down to, and I'll just take this monitor and I'll actually put it on that wall, like by that light. I'll just put it right in the wall, and I can have. I'll just probably have my server hooked up to it, and then I can just put my VM through it and just run. I don't know, put on other people's Twitch stream or something in the back of mine. Best way to make AI movements? Well, it depends. If you're, I'm not crypto mining off my. Yeah, nav mesh is probably the quickest way to get it going. But if you're talking about, like, you know, a car or whatnot, then you're gonna probably, well, two options. Probably physics, rigid body physics. But AI, yeah, nav mesh, because it takes away a lot of the raw code that you'll have to write to do it. So it all depends on what you're trying to get at. So let's open up the CEO building. And let's go there. I know I said I was doing tutorial stuff, but I might as well just get this out of the way. Yeah, if it's too, yeah, good call. Yeah, that is very true. Indoor areas, hospital admin building. So I need 2 phones, which we have. Scene 7. No, scene 6. Gray phone, blue phone, blah, 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 blah. Why am I on ISO? So we're gonna put a phone not in the bathroom. That'd be funny. Actually, we could put it in the bathroom. I say I need some dead bodies in here. I just realized there's no dead bodies in here. Got a dirty floor, no dead bodies. So for now, I'll just put the phone on this table. Just for now, we're gonna borrow this phone. Well, you can use a rate, like, again, it depends. If you're gonna write your own logic to, like, find out, hey, is there something in front of me? Then yeah, you'll have to use raycast for obstacle avoidance. My previous game was a like a space shooter game, and all of the enemy, like, you're flying through space, so I couldn't use Unity's nav mesh system because there's, you know, nav mesh doesn't really work well on the 3D space. You can kind of get it to work, but it's not. No, you just don't. But yeah, so like I had to do raycast pretty much in all of the, like, I think I used 5 directions, like straight forward, out, you know, basically in a cone outward to try to detect, and if there's something in the way, depending on where it was, the ship went the other way. So there we go, Sundry. Good call. What happened there? Blue phone, go there. So we're gonna call this is scene 5. Oh, no worries. Worker phone. So why is the canvas there? It shouldn't be. Oh, it's there. What's this canvas? Oh, okay. Content, message. See, I don't need all this. I think I just need the message. Yeah, so we don't want this crap. No prefab. So I do want the two. So I do need the top message. I don't need the bottom one though. Oh my good God, this is kind of slow. Delete you. Ah! Fine. Open prefab. Delete. Okay, so what the hell did I call the... well, look, if you're... Yeah, I would use Unity's nav mesh. It's what I use in my game. It's... The more complicated the area, that like the moving around area, the more complicated the... Well, I guess for AI it doesn't matter because you can... Like, you know where they're going to go to a certain extent. So, I don't know. I would start with that. I would definitely start with that first. This is just a grid layout. Yeah, a while ago, before he got super famous. But I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all. That's okay. Not mad at him, he's got shit to do. Can't be mad at that guy. And again, I'm not trying to pander to him, but I get it. I get it completely. Oh, is this... Oh, wait. That's why I have a grid layout. I don't want that. Remove. Message at the top. I don't need this. No, I don't need this. I do need a to and from, though. So it is a phone. Whoops. Subject, caught you. Why did it go that way? Caught. Oh my God, I can't spell. Caught you. Don't feel sad, Sundry. Maybe he'll come back another day. Why did the... Oh, the text is that. Oh, I'm stupid. Why won't... Oh, why do I keep... Why don't I just delete this? It's got a layout on it as well? No. Not... If you use it once, it's fine. Like... That's actually a good question, Sundry. Nolans. You can use that, but I would use that only to find a reference one time, and then like cache that reference, and then you can use the reference. I use that in a lot of scripts to find my static reference scripts, which is kind of funny because it's static. I should have just made this class static. But anyway, yeah, just if you use it once in like the awake or the start method, that's fine. But don't call that an update or anything like that. Jeez, don't do that. So admin mobile phone. Copy you, bring you back into Unity. Drop you there. Whoa, okay, so there's a lot more. Oh, that's because I have fonts. Auto size. Not enough. Where's the font message? Do I have... Wrapping is enabled, overflow. Okay. Ah, gotcha. That's actually a really good question, Sundry. Why is this all capital? Oh, it's because it's that. And I really should lower this font a bit. Oh, oh, content, I forgot. Content is only there. Oh no, that needs to be the content. Oh, why do I... Sorry guys, I'm an ass. Cut this. I don't even need this message part. I can just put it in here. There. What am I doing? So, content, message to the top. I just put message. No worries. No, I mean, I'll do my best. It's really hard to help when you don't see what you're working on. Like, and Sandra can attest to this. Anytime I have like a programming issue, whatever, and I'm trying to explain the problem, it's really hard to train. And then when he's like, "No, do it this way," and I'm like, "I don't know what the fuck you're talking about," even though, like, it's if we were both working on the same Google Doc or something like that, it'd be way easier. But plus, there's a delay. I'm sure there is. I'm going to. Oh, this is almost fits. Auto size. Why is the auto size not right? Like, is there another content thing on this? Like, why is this? Oh no, canvas group is fine. Scroll view? There's no content fit or anything in this, is there? Content? No. Oh. Maybe it's because I have overflow on? Truncate? Oh god, no, it's a bad idea. Overflow. Like, why can't I move? Oh, I can move that. I just have to change the auto size settings. Why is it auto sizing to that? Oh, that's why. My minimum is set to 18. Minimum should be 1. There we go. What the fuck the problem was. So the message basically says, oh, thanks so much, Sandra. Yeah, good call. Hi, I knew it was you. I found your stupid cufflink under my wife's pillow. What asshole wears cufflinks, by the way? If you don't pay up, I'm going to let your wife in a little secret. I'm guessing this little scandal won't bode well for your career either. You have until the end of the week, dickhead. So this message is was sent to the CEO, the hospital admin, and we have to do the phone for the hospital admin as well. And basically, it's explaining why the hospital admin is taking money to keep quiet about what he knows. Link didn't work. Oh, is that dead? Oh, I never fucking changed it out. You know what? Let's fix that right now. Let me try to find. I don't know anything about Discord though. Where's my server invite? Let's do another one. Invite people. Where's invites? Is it up here? Server settings. I don't even know how to do this. That's weird. Should work. Where's invites? Invites right there. Okay. I should still update the bot though. See, none of them are expired though. It's the weirdest thing. None of them say they're expired. Can I create another one? How do I create another one? I don't know how to do this. It's been so long. Can I renew it? Can't renew it. I don't know. Anyone knows how? Yeah, but where the fuck? I'm just showing. I don't give a shit. I'll show everyone. Where the fuck do I user management invites? No, not there. Server settings. Whoops. No, it was just there. How the fuck do I do invites? I don't know how to do any of this. Invite people button? It's not there. Member list. Down here. I don't know how to do this. Oh, invite people right there. Jesus. Expires after. Never. Max number of users. No limit. Grant temporary membership. No. Generate new link. Okay, well, where's the link? I hit it. Copy. Copied. Okay, there we go. So, where is the... Oh, now I have to open up another fucking... Yeah, so I got it. I got it. Where's Nightbot? Nightbot. I think that's what I'm using. Log in. Please remember. Log in. Yep. Commands. Custom. Default. Custom, I think. It's loading. Discord. So here it is. Let's edit this mother effer. So this should be it. Paste that. Hit submit. And let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, good. It's not working. Okay, there we go. New one is in. New one is in. I don't know if it works or not. The important ones there, though. Wishlist. Wishlist the game. And that's not working now either. Because it's not working. Do I actually have to, like, be in chat to use it? Huh. Oh, there we go. That was slow. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have one phone here. And I don't remember the name, so I just want to save that because that phone's done. And where is the computer? Because I forget what I named the fucking guy. Key items? No. Info items. Info. Wow. Antagonist laptop. Hospital CEO computer. The fuck is this guy's name? Text. Ronan Albright. So this is 2. We're gonna copy this. Go back to you. Open prefab. Message. To 2. Paste. Ronan Albright. Oh, it doesn't really fit. I was hoping to get it to fit on one line. And actually, I'm going to change the subject to got you. There you go. Okay, save that. Okay. So that's an easy one on the table, just kind of sitting there. I know, shut up. I know. One of the things that I have to do is I have to get a build, obviously, and I have to play it and just record it to grab some screenshots out of it. I'm not going to do screenshots out of the editor. I guess I could, but it's just harder to... You don't get the full I can always just edit them. Maybe I'll do them in the editor. I just don't know what I'm going to show. Because I also need to cut another fucking trailer. And I know. By the end of this month, that page will be redone. Good to see you too, Hugo. The work that goes there. And let's actually we can just do let's grab another phone. Let's get another color phone. I can use a tablet maybe. Now let's use a phone. Fucking simpler. Where the fuck is it? Or I can, instead of doing that, because that's just like an email, I wonder if I can, let's go to the computer for a second here. Oh, see, I have this set up as a scrolling page. Okay. You're welcome, but now we're just gonna put a phone here. Oh, where are we gonna put the phone though? I can just take the card, move it right over here, and I'll put a phone. Where's the nav mesh? I can put the phone. I can still put the phone there. Yeah, I can put the phone right there. Bunch of stuff to read here. So let's grab the red phone. Why not? Put it there. Oh, good gizmos. Now we're gonna name this Scene 5. Hospital CEO phone. And this is going to be another original prefab. And let's open it up. Open the fucking prefab. Where'd the canvas go? There it is. Whew. That's weird. Oh, say, yeesh. -90, 180, 0. What happened? Oh. There we go. Hugo, come on, you gotta tell us. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know. We can delete all of these. Keep you, just call it message. And let's grab the message, which is Hospital CEO. Nice and quick, nice and easy. Copy, boop. Go. Paste. Okay, okay. I'll get you your money. So I need the name though. To... Yeah, that means I gotta give a to and from. Are you, Yeah, Hugo, I don't know what to tell you. I wish... Next. What's next? NEXT, N-word? Do you mean NZXT? Oh yeah, Faber, what happened? Did you get that sorted? Hope you did. NXT. I'll give it a Google in a minute. To what are we gonna call this guy? Let's call him fucking. Doesn't matter his name. Brian Adams. No. That's fucking Brian. Finnegan. Finnegan. Perfect. I know. I was like, don't think of a name that's popular. Brian Adams. Fuck! Ordered a new card from a different bank and it works straight away. Fucking A, Vein Brain. Fucking, I'm happy you got that shit sorted. Good on you, man. Seamus. You go. To Brian Finnegan. So I need... So yeah, actually, I can just leave it like this. Really, I don't need a big message. I mean, this is fine enough. I mean, it tells. Oh, sorry, the subject shouldn't be new base passcode though. Subjects to see. Why can't I remember off the top of my head? You know when you reply to an email, you know how like the subject is like if you forward it, it's like FWD colon. You know, and then the old does it? What does it say? It's been so long, I can't remember. I've never really looked at it. Let me Gmail. Look up my own Gmail and see if I have a. Oh, let's just reply to this one. Reply. See what the subject. Oh, it doesn't. Figures. RE. Thank you, Jesus. Why couldn't I remember that? RE. Ugh. Thank you. RE. What did I say? Got you. There we go. So Itch is partnered with some company to sort out the tax stuff, right? I literally cannot enter my stuff because they don't accept German letters. That sucks. Yeah, you'll actually have to talk. You'll have to talk to somebody at Itch. That's not fair. But put it this way, you can't be the first German to post shit on Itch. So, well, not German, but you know what I mean. Someone with a German keyboard. Gamer Kemder. I always say your name wrong. Damn it! Gamer Kemder. How are you? Thanks for jumping in. So let's save that. And the worker phone, actually, we don't want to put, just gonna put Ronan Albright. I don't need CEO Red Chapel. There, that's fine. Whoops. Go. Override. Apply. Now we can test these out. Apply. Hope they didn't fuck anything up. Well, not everyone has what are those called? Ulots? Don't remember. Are they ulots? Oh, am I completely wrong? Oh, that's perfect. So we already have, it's already in there. Okay, so let's try this out. Oh, there might be zombies in here. It's okay. Umlauts. Umlauts. Okay, I was close. Yeah, I don't know what to tell. Yeah, that's, I don't know. There's got to be something. There's got to be some way to fix that. Now there's zombies in here, so I'm just going to turn off the zombies to test this out. No, object pooler. I should have zombie. Bye-bye. Boop. So I have to solve this. Yeah, I do have to solve the puzzle to get to the next fucking floor. So let's just solve it real quick. Oh, I gotta get closer. Actually, hold on. That's actually, oh yeah. So that's something I also have to take care of. So basically it looks like I can select it, but like when I get close enough, get in there. I need to put interact things on it. So you know that you're supposed to actually deal with it. That's something else to do tonight. And then one more. It should say game save. Yep, whee! Now it's going. Where did I put the phone? Oh, in there. Oh, I have an error. What is the error? Oh, use item update. Whoa, what is this? What is the problem? Item info text, it's not getting it. Okay. That's weird. Line of sight, oh, it's a switch, okay, it's fine. Okay, that's weird, we have to fix that then. Or I can test that out again. So that was the second floor door. So the issue with that one is that canvas. Why is there a problem? Item info indicator. Balls. Wait, line 171. That's weird. So item info indicator text game. Ah, yes, I don't have the text in there. Okay. Yes, okay, yes, because there's no actual text image on it. Oh, crap. So I need to find one that has one. Yeah, it's because I forgot I have been, I just need to remember. Sorry. Indoor areas, no. Level controller, no. Level map objects, yes. No, there's the use items. Ah. Oh, so okay. Duplicate. And then we drop that on there. That's what I was missing, okay. They all need texts. But thankfully, I don't have to use anything on this, so I can just keep it blank, but it still needs one. Even though there's nothing on it. Now these light switches though, I'm actually surprised. So I'll have to put something in here about the light switches. Okay, let's try this again. without the errors this time. And why was the phone not working? Probably because actually, do these need the text as well? Well, we'll find out now. Forget. This is what happens when I start jumping around, not doing shit what I'm supposed to be doing. And let's turn off the zombies because I know they're there. Okay, so let's just go right to the fucking phone this time. Gotta widen that. Yeah. Puzzle the camera. Set puzzle. Oh, for fuck's sakes, did I do that again? Yes, I did. No, I know, Sundry. I know what you mean. I should be following. I haven't been as like in the beginning. I was really good with using it, and yeah, I didn't set the camera. God damn it. And then I kind of fell off a bit. It's my own fault. Where's the fucking main camera? Oh, there it is. So you go there, and you go there as well. I don't know why I just don't fucking find that on start. It's stupid of me. Yeah. Well, like I said, I know I'm like the tutorial thing. I wanted to like I've been wanting to do that for a long time. So I'm just gonna bite off the first half hour and do it, just to say okay, just now that I know that started. And now the rest of the tutorial is more about the lore, which is kind of what I'm working on now. So like it all does fit. I just have to mark them off that they're finished. Is the next thing. So I bounced around a little bit, but okay, Steam didn't load, so that's fine. Okay, 2 Ronan Albright. Haha. Okay, good. That works. Oh, that doesn't though. Why is that not wired up? Well, he's found out now. Why is the back button not working? Motherfucker. It's probably some stupid thing. Where's this back button? Oh. Shit. I forget what they are. Hold on a second. Let's save this. I really should just fucking... I hate using these because if you... They're shitty for prefabs because you obviously forget what they're supposed to be. Like there's no indication. I should just fucking add the listeners in code. Actually, no matter what, I'd still have to call that. No, I can just give the button its own listener. Yeah, I really should just do that. But I'm not gonna. Scenes, it's the last, what the fuck? No. What the? List. No, fine, details. Which one is it? There we go. Christ almighty. Streets warp it. Okay, now where's the stupid phone? Because I have them in here. Map objects, info items, red phone. Where's the back button? So we have cancel read. Oh, thanks so. Whoa, thanks so much for the following. Joe Mama. What? I'm not even gonna go with the numbers, but thanks very much for the follow, man. Or woman. Not sure. So let's write this down on our handy dandy post-it note. So we need cancel read. Cancel read. Play sound effects from the, so pause, control, play SFX1, and then on hover, it's same SFX0. Okay, there we go. Scenes. Back to the power plant. Let's click on the phone. Whoops, canvas, back button. So this is here. Interactive info, cancel, read. And this is the pause controller. I believe that's the right one. Pause controller, play sound effects. It's one. Pause controller, pause controller, pause controller. Play sound effects, 0. Oh, at least it remembers. Would I ever use Unreal? Well, put it this way. At this point, I've spent the last 6, maybe 7 years at this point in Unity. The only way I would ever switch to Unreal, I don't know. I like Unity. I really like Unity. They're both great engines. I just know Unity way more. Plus, it's a completely different code base. So I mean, like, I've spent this long learning C#. But no, I don't have anything against it. I just don't know. Like, I would basically be starting from scratch. I know it very little. Very little. So I think a lot of people do use. I don't want to say a lot more people use Unity than anyone else. I just think you see a lot more people using Unity. Well, it's funny. One of the game dev people that I went to school with, he lives in the States now, and he went to a good few meetups, like game dev meetups, and he gets made fun of for using Unity. Like, they actually they're basically, no, I don't want to say, they're not calling him names like nah, but they're insinuating that he's not a real dev because he uses Unity, which fucking stupid. I mean. Whoop, that's not even open. So I think there's a bit of there might be a stigma because Unity is used, unfortunately, for so many bad games. Now, Unreal is the same, but like, because it's so much easier, I think it's so much easier to pump out games faster in Unity than it is Unreal, that you see a lot of the really bad games come from Unity. Like the really astronomically bad games that come from Unity. So Unity kind of got a bad name. Not so much these days, but like back in the past, and that never really left. And I think it's why Unity's trying to spread its wings a lot more, getting into more like visual production stuff, like, you know, with that actually having, you can basically fucking film a movie in it. I think so too. So it's complete shit. Like, even if someone sat down to me and said that they used, you know, I made a full game, I've been making games in RPG Maker for the past 10 years, I'd be fucking fascinated. I'm like, tell me more. Like, it's just, it doesn't matter if you're, you know, I don't know. People get so hung up on, like, I don't get made fun of, but I get like poked fun at that I use Affinity, the Affinity software, the Affinity software, like Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, because it's not Photoshop. I'm like, if I ever got into the industry, okay, yes, then I would probably have to learn Photoshop. I don't have a desire, even if I got in the industry, it would be for fucking art. So, yeah. It kind of, Hugo, yeah, it kind of is. It kind of is. I mean, the parallel is very similar, but like, yeah, it's people who use Blender versus the 3ds Max. Or again, like Adobe Premiere versus DaVinci Resolve. Although DaVinci Resolve's got a really good name for itself. It's just not nearly as stable as Adobe Premiere. But it's fucking free, so like, I don't know. Well, you know what I mean though, Hugo. What I mean in the industry is like, go to work for a company that makes games where they have dedicated suites of software that you have to know. I mean it that way. Like, one of the nicest things about being an indie dev is, one, you're your own boss, but like, two, you can use whatever the fuck you want. I know tons of people who started building a game in like Godot or RPG Maker and was like, I'm just gonna port everything over the Unity or port everything into another, and they did it because they wanted to. It's fucking great having that kind of freedom. Oh, fair enough, you. Like, yeah, don't get me wrong. I do feel that I actually am a game developer. Like, I feel that way now. Like there are levels though of that feeling, if that makes any sense. Like I don't feel that I'm a well, I don't know how else to put it. Like I don't feel like I'm a good game developer. I just feel like I know how to make a game to like, and by good I mean like to make a really, I don't even know how to put it. Like there's like hierarchies, you know what I mean? Like you have like, you know, the novice, was it like novice or amateur? Then you have like the intermediate guy, the not necessarily a veteran, but like he's been in the shit for a little bit. And then you have like, you know, the guys who everything that touches gold. Not everything, but like a lot of things. And I know people in all those levels, and I feel like I'm still at the bottom. I'm not ashamed of it. I know what my limitations are, and I'm totally fine with them. I just don't, you know what I mean? But that's just my own personal hurdle to get at. So that's exactly it. Oh yeah. Here with you guys, that's right. Christ almighty. What have I turned into? Sorry, I'm just getting rid of the zombies. I just want to see if this fucking phone works before I test the other one. Hey! Back. Yay! Okay, that works. Now let's do the light switches. Oh, that door. I gotta fix that door. You shouldn't be getting stuck on that door. See, I shouldn't be able to use this switch from this far away. That's an issue. Like the fact, like, okay, thank God. It's only, you only need line of sight to use it. It shouldn't be that way. I need to fix those. Basically, I just need to give it a proper distance. So the door is unlocked. Should be in the CEO office now. Okay, so we have an access badge. We have the computer, which works. I hope. Yeah, and then we have the phone, which, oh, that's just a big bunch of nothing. Maybe I'll put some more writing in there. Okay, it works. Okay, so this message exchange between the two people explain kind of why the CEO is doing some shady shit because he needs money. Although I should actually, I gotta widen that the camera or the light for these objects. Might as well do that now. It's the puzzle light. I think it's set to 30 and it should be 45. I don't know why I didn't update in all. Puzzle spotlight. Yeah, it's at 30. I don't know why. It should be 45. There we go. Okay, save that. So now if I go back to our old hack and plan thingamadoodle. I have the hospital notice in. I did that one. I did the trailer park house. By the way, I added a little trailer park house. Explains that you have to go into the sewer. It's just, I'm trying to add like lore notes, but also use them to like kind of subtly direct the player. I have the shopping list note. Yes. Warehouse note. These two I want to put in, but they don't really add any value. Like there's no value to them. So I think I'm going to leave them out. We just did these two. Oh, the reception note. Yeah, so we have to go to the, it's the same fucking scene. Okay, so, and the note can just be, I can use files. Do I have a file? Yeah, we'll use the hospital one. Hospital receptionist. Yeah, we'll use that one. So let's go to the facility. And I gotta do some more work on that facility too, by the way. That's the second floor. First floor. Let me just put it right on the desk, right next to these ones. No, I just need the gizmos. This room, I have no idea what to do with this room. It's just here. It's just here. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And I'm thinking about adding a third floor in here for like the facility, the power plant, kind of like, not the CEOs, but the power plant, like board of directors, kind of like, you know what I mean? Like a giant, very fancy office kind of setting, like maybe 2 or 3 offices, to kind of give more a reason as to why these people are trying to like cover it up, which is basically because one of their staff, you know, blew up the fucking place. So we're gonna borrow this one. We're gonna drop it hither. Turn off these gizmos because annoying. go right there, kinda. Whee! I can leave it like that. That's good enough. Very rigid file. Maybe I'll leave it on the corner, just because it's, you know. I got word, by the way, that those game dev classes I was teaching at the wellness center, they're starting back up as long as there's no more lockdown COVID increases. And it's 16th of April, so, or no, 14th. I think it's the Wednesday. So I'm really looking forward to that, getting back into class with those guys. What's your favorite part making the game? I'm not gonna lie, I love testing out new things. So like one of my favorite things to do, but also one of the worst things I can do is like I want to test out an idea. So like for example, I don't know, making the player shoot. I get in there and I want to get it done so much just to see it happen that I write really shit code. And then I get it to work and like, woohoo, and then I'm like, oh, I got it to work, so I can just move on. And then I don't go back and clean it up or fix it up. I just kind of leave it until it starts breaking other things. So it's one of the best things to do, but also some of the shittiest. Like I love seeing, getting an idea in my head and implementing it and seeing it happen and then tweaking it to match what I have in my head. It's so enjoyable is not even the right word. It's so it's not even refreshing. I don't know what it is, but it's this awesome feeling. Like, I did this. I'm a god of digital things. Like, I don't know. It's this weird, not even power. I don't even know what you call it. It's just a great feeling. I shouldn't say god. Facility reception note. Okay. Validation. It's more than that though. It's like maybe it is validation. Maybe it might be that. No, but that's fine, Hugo. I know. And like, and that's like, I always knew, or put it this way, how do I say it? In the past, the only time I would really ever go back and change code is when all of a sudden, like I noticed in the profiler, oh, there's some code that's really some fucking shit, fucking some stuff up, or like it's not performing at all. So I would go back and I'd figure out why, then I'd change it. But it wasn't until I started working on this game that I like, and fair enough, like through a lot of your critique and not so much your critique, like I have been learning things a little bit as I go. That once certain things start, like once you start cross-referencing and like certain things, like certain code depends on other code, it's like, and then maybe that piece of code depends on something else. Like there's this big vicious circle of, well, people call it spaghetti. That's where I'm kind of at now. Like the code that I write in the future, especially, I will be going an absolute truck ton slower. And come on, this fucking chair. And oh my goodness, there we go. Truck ton slower. And I know I'll know a lot more now as to, wait a minute, if this seems complicated, it shouldn't be. That means my code could be done better. Well, I mean, anyone can release a game on Steam. It's actually not hard to release a game on Steam. It's really simple, actually. Shitty part is got to cough up 100 quid or whatever it is for the fee. So there we go. Here, text to all staff. Nope. So we got, what did I write in here? Let's just read it here. It's easier. Another shipment of lab supplies was delivered today that makes 4 this week. I'm not sure. Okay, let's change that. I'm not sure where they're putting all the stuff. There's definitely no room in storage. It's funny though, each delivery has a note for lab C, but we only have an A and B. Weird. It's weird spelled right? What is that? What's wrong with that? Well, again, so you put up on like, okay, that's Steam, but like Itch. That's even easier to put up a game on. Oh, I just spelled weird wrong. One of those stupid English words that make no fucking sense. There we go. Okay, so let's test that out. Oh, wait. Haha. We need... Oh, let me guess this stupid back button. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I know. I before E. See, I before E, except after C, except. There's a 9,000 fucking rules, exceptions to the rule. I don't know. I don't care. Just don't care. Fucking hate English. I hate it. Pause controller, play sound effects. Nope, that's not right. Shit. Play sound effects. 1. And then we need... And I know it seems weird I'm using pause control, but I just have the pause controller linked into the audio manager singleton, so it's just easier to do this way. Yeah, exactly. There's no... It's dumb. Okay, so actually right out of the gate, this background doesn't need that fucking dark. That looks weird that it's that dark, so let's change that. Scroll view, is it this one? Yes, it is. Wait, that should be fine enough. And actually, let's make that text box a little smaller. Oh, of course you're like that. No! Why is it going that way? Oh, lame. Fine, we'll do it the extra hard way through here. Margin is left. And then right. Actually, no, that margin was fine. That's good enough. Okay, let's test it. Am I tested? I break it. Inside position. Where are you? Where the inside? Oh, this is... What the fuck's the inside position? Oh, it's right fucking there. Whoop. -5. There we go. So it's 4. Let's try it. Hopefully we're good. You gotta go. No worries, Joe Mama. Thanks so much for jumping in. Enjoy the rest of your evening or morning or night, depending on where you are. And hopefully we'll see you again soon, huh? Oh shit, there's zombies. No, I don't have any weapons. Run away. Boop. Oh, I didn't hook it to the fucking... Oh, Mama got him. Yeah, I forgot to link up the camera. Camera, virtual cams. Where is the camera? Whoop. Right again. Oh, yeah. Please work this time. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn these zombies off right now. Oh, that's a little close, but it's okay. Another shipment of last place delivered today. It makes 4 this week. I'm not sure where they're putting all the stuff. There's definitely no more room storage. It's funny though, each delivery has a note for Lab C, but we only have an A and a B. Weird. This is this note here is in regards to. I should actually bring that back a bit. I should just do that now. This note's in regards to when you get into the player or when you get into the antagonist's office and you read that he's relocating some of his lab equipment. Or relocating to another lab. That's just more, again, just trying to sell it a bit more. I know it seems goofy, but so there's the actual thing. So we want the mesh, global. About there, is that okay? Right there? Yeah, that should be fine there. Actually, we can go a little further back. Yeah, I think that's fine. Copy that. Copy. Let's go to the mesh. Boo! Drop the fucking thing in the mesh. Boop. ISO view, I hate you. Pop you up a bit. Boop. There we go. Simplex! Oh my god, how have you been? I haven't seen you in... Well, it isn't quite a year, but it's been a long time. What you been up to, man? Jeez. Okay, I think That is it. Yeah, we did the bunker note. Yeah, that's all of them for now. There's no harm. Like I can. It's thankfully now I have everything geared up. I can always make it. How do I say it? Can always add more, and I don't need this anymore. Line of sight check. Having a time for Twitch? No worries. Working on stuff, you know. Nah, that's fine, man. Just glad to know you're still alive. Well, like I said, I hope you got everything worked out, and I hope you're in much better form. Yeah, welcome back. I know, right, Sundry? Oh yeah, the light switches. I wanted to find out. I need to put something in them there. Key items. No, they're actually in the indoor area. Hospital admin building, floor 1. Lights. No, we want the switches because I'm a dick. Light switch. Now, is there an update? No, it's just a line of sight. Yeah. I need to put an update in here. Oh, wait, hold on. Before I forget. Yeah, I can't just put a receptionist note. Receptionist note. I forgot I have to name these. It's officer's phone. CEO's phone. Workers' phone is just gonna be workers' phone. Okay, it's fine. Whew. That was quick, Jemima. So item information. Let's open you up. You have. Okay, that does the line of sight check. That's fine. Indicator text. Okay, yeah. So I need in the light switch. It needs its own, unfortunately, which is fine. I can use it. I just need to. I don't want to update method in this, but I don't have a choice, do I? Void. Update. Balls. Now. Oh. Yeah, it's one of those decisions, Simplex, where like it's going to literally affect the next 2 to 4 years of your life. And Simplex, no, help me. They haven't been taking care of me at all. They've been bashing me left and right, berating me with chants of "your code sucks, your code sucks." Oh, Jesus. What's this? No. Where the fuck is the... Oh, I'm looking for obstacles, that's why. Is it just used ID? Used item? Is that where I'd have this? Oh, okay, I just need player resistance. I just need this. Boop. Drop you in here. Item info, let's just borrow the whole fucking thing. Wait, so I'd use Blender for like 3D animating, making it. No, use Blender for 3D modeling. You can use it for animation, but like, actually, it's probably a better animator than. Actually, sorry, scratch that. It's definitely a better animating tool than Unity is, but I would first learn how to build models in it first. There's thousands of tutorials out there for Blender, so have at it. It's a great piece of software because it's fucking free. So. But yeah, no, Blender, then you take the model that you make and you import it into your game engine of choice. Public void, no, public float. Yeah, you can create, I'd use the Unity one, like for creating simple ones like doors opening or Geez, I don't really know. I usually really only use it for that. For simple things. Or I use the Unity animator for like text, animating text or animating colors back and forth. Yeah. We'll make this arbitrarily equal 4. Now player distance. We're gonna copy this, put it in here, and we can just get rid of this now because we don't need it. Let's switch below line of sight. That's fine. Oh, so the line of sight check in here, I'll have to also see. Yeah, shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to hook that in as well. Okay. Where is the sub button gone? I terminated my affiliate contract because I wanted to multi-stream. I wasn't a it made more sense for me to get the game in front of more people's eyes, even though the majority of the people that come and watch my stream are from Twitch anyway. But no, if anybody out there, I might as well plug it. If anyone out there wants to support me in any way, support the stream, support the game, you know, you can donate there. You don't have to, or if you want something for your money, you know, you could buy a hoodie or a t-shirt or a coffee mug. The coffee mug's awesome. I've ran the thing like 60 times in the dishwasher so far, and it's still perfectly pristine. So if you're gonna get it, if you do ever want to get anything, I would highly suggest the coffee mug. Although I gotta get more ones out there. I want to make a coffee mug with just like a dead zombie on it. I think that would be awesome. So that's there, yeah. So item info. Again, you don't have to donate or do anything. I'm just saying. That is here. Well, I mean, yeah, fair enough. There we go. So I already have this. And let's clean this up a tiny bit. Actually, no, there's no point. There's nothing really to clean up. So I need to add one. I need to add another fucking bool. Bool can use. That's false. And if can use equals true, and can use equals false. So when we do the line of sight check, I also need to check in here. Sorry. I need. Should I throw it in here, or should I throw it in here? Now let's throw it in here. Oh, or line of sight is false. Or can use equals false. There we go. It's right fucking there in front of me. Boom. Return. Okay, so what do I have to make sure? Oh, I need the actual text on it now. So what is it? Interact? I think interact is the current text that we're using. What this is doing right here is making it so you can't use the light switch from the doorway. So it makes you actually have to go up to the light switch to use it. I think it's just more. I think it's just better. So player doesn't use. We'll try 4 for now. Now each of these stupid things though needs in the canvas and the image. I need to add a text object. Oh. Dude, thanks so much for buying. You bought the coffee mug. Very cool, man. Thank you. I've never seen that actually on stream before. So a few people have picked up some stuff from the merch store, but I've never seen that animation play. Fair play, man. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it. I wish I had mine in here with me. I didn't generally. I only use it when I'm drinking coffee. I actually. I wish I could make. I wish they had an option for a water bottle because I'd totally fucking. I'd buy 2 or 3 of those. But yeah. But no, it's cool. It was the first item I bought from that store, and it's still kicking. It's still kicking ass. So I hope you like it. Thank you. Yeah, I guess I could just get the sticker, but like because I wish there was. Yeah, I probably just should just buy a bunch of the stickers, put them on some shit. Although I'm not a sticker guy. Like I'm not a. Like one of the things though I really liked was when I do finally upgrade this PC or like change out this PC to make this my server and bring the new one up. I don't think I'm gonna go full blown water cooling. I just might use like an AIO, maybe. But I'd love to be able to afford, the AAO. I think it's the NZXT one where you can actually put like an animated GIF on the pump, and just put like the Squid Monkey logo on it, and like just have some cool animation on it. Yeah, that would be nice. But like they don't offer like I can only put out what they're capable of offering. I wish I had my own. I wish I had the facilities for my own stuff, but like I haven't had a ton of sales on the merch store, but a few. Cube image. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for yeah, we're looking for this. This one says use item, doesn't it? Yeah, so we're gonna duplicate you. And we're gonna bring you down to image. Cool. Thank you, Stuart. And we're gonna go 0 to 50 and 0. And we'll see what that looks like. This says use item. No, we don't want that. We want it to say like interact or flip switch or something. But we're gonna just go interact for now. Interact. What a Chad. Chad. So let's duplicate this a few times. And we'll put you there. Put you there. There. Might not get them all. I hope this works. Famous last words. Bring you there. Oh, there's always another one. There. So let's grab these. We're going to name them. Oh yeah, it's already interact, but we're going to name them text TMP. I want to name all the same. It's easier to find later on. I don't need to change anything else. No, they should all be fine. Oh, sorry, that's not true. 0, 0. There we go. So now every stupid switch should have it. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Well, let's see, because I think that'll actually spin to look at the camera. All right. Huh? I haven't thought about that in a long time. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss watching TV, like no wing. All the references and whatnot, but I should probably make this object as well one of those interactable ones that go to the screen. Employee notice: all lights must be turned on to trip the magnetic door lock. Then I could put something like, maintenance has been notified. Yeah, I should probably turn that into that as well. I'm debating turning all of these, the little things that you hover over, just turning them all into shit that just goes up to your screen. Like just turning all, like, it's not hard to do. It's just to be time consuming as fuck. I don't know. Because right now it feels weird that like unless there's something on it that says you can use it or interact with it. I don't know. Yeah, well, right now the way like this one functions, for example, you just hover over it and it comes on the bottom of your screen. But some of the other ones, like the phones, for that example that we put in, those ones go right up to your screen. There's more text on it, but the ones that go to your screen are more to sell. Like they're more there for lore or the main plot. Whereas these ones here are just normal notifications of just what's kind of going, like what you need to know in that specific tiny little situation. But I don't know, it just feels, I don't want to say feels weird, it just, continuity, you know what I mean? Like, does it break the continuity of, like, they should either all do it or none of them do it, like, you know what I mean? Because I was trying to look at other games, and I always use Resident Evil because it's just easy game to compare to, and all of their text stuff like that, and all of it comes up in your face. Like, but again, it's not a cursor game, so it's, I don't know. Again, it's not, it won't be hard to switch them all over should I go that route, but it'll be an awful pain in the ass if I want to switch back. So I really got to be sure. Okay, so sorry, let's test this out and see what it looks like. What was that command again? Which one? Which command? You need to tell me so I can do the thing you want me to do. Oh, you remember. Oh shit, I'm in the facility. Why am I in there? Go there. Oh, did I end up moving itself back? Oh, I'm an idiot. The inside position's still set in the facility. Son of a bitch. Whee. Okay, so the interact one from the wall, that's going to be a bit of a bitch. So let's just go here. So before, it's not working. So I'm going to have to move the canvas out from the wall a lot more. Oh, a hell of a lot more. Yeah, okay. But that one's there, like I just want to make sure they're, oh, can I actually use it? Yeah, but if I go out this way, too far away, I can't use it. Just got to get up close. Just can't see it because it's, yeah. Okay. Oh, see these ones, okay, so I do have to fix those, okay. No problem. So which ones need the old fixing? So this canvas needs to come way off the wall like that. Now let's test it out. Ah, see, it's still getting cut. Right there. That's fine. So the canvas itself, I'll just do each one individually. I turn them all 90 degrees. Do you have a release date? No, not yet. I'm not. It's close-ish. Like all these little things that I'm doing here are more like quality of life kind of stuff. There's the last boss needs tweaking. Sundry says it's too hard, and if he says it's too hard, it's way too hard. So I have to tweak that one a little bit. And I have to give the mega boss more health. But other than that, yeah. No, I didn't tweak the last boss yet. I didn't tweak him. I think the Maggot King I did. The Maggot King I increased the health, I think. I haven't really tested it too much though. But the last boss I need to, I think it's more along the lines of just, you know, those enemies that you said, Sundry, the ones that the main boss, the last boss spawns, is making sure they, making sure that they don't spawn every time. I forgot, lost my fucking train of thought. But I haven't done that yet, no. Once I do all this, oh, that I fixed. No, there might have been an issue. Either way, I double checked and you can kill them now. Oh yeah, because we were doing that just before I started. Sorry, I was going to do that just before I started the ragdoll stuff, and then I got way into the ragdoll stuff. So yeah, that's why, because that ragdoll stuff took almost a week of my time to get it done, and I still need to do the ragdoll for the player. Well, maybe that's it. Maybe if you're able to kill him, it'd be a lot easier. I still think I need to tweak it a tiny bit. I don't know. Shouldn't I? Because the way that like some of the like what am I saying? Some of the best things about a game is the player. I keep fucking premising it wrong. I think a good player death is a good. It's a good thing to have. I think it's not necessarily essential, but I think it's one of those things that I think is overlooked in some games. But like, I don't know. At the very like, I don't need multiple different ways the player is going to die. But like, I think if the player dies, it shouldn't be the same slow fall back like it currently is. I mean, I know I can increase the animation speed, but I think if it was just a ragdoll thing, where when the player dies, like, you know, he would get, you know, something along those lines. And because now I know how to do it with the enemies, it's easy enough to do with the player. But again, it's something that it's not a necessity in any way, shape, or form. But I think I don't know. I kind of want to do it just to see, because maybe it'll turn out to be a great idea. Like I was kind of on the fence of whether or not I should actually do the ragdolls for the enemies, and I'm so fucking happy I did. It's such a better. The enemies dying now, it's so much more satisfying, especially when you get to like the big weapons. Like the shotgun is just really fun to just fucking murder enemies. Sorry, I just want to. Oh Jesus! Oh, you're in the hallway. Putting them this far out so the interact. I wish I. Is there a shorter word for interact? Like, because I want to again. It's not continuity. That's the wrong word I used before. Consistency. So like the puzzles, I can't put use because you're not using a puzzle. But like interact, like you're doing something. You have to do something. Apply something to it, an action to it. So is there a shorter? That's what I mean. I think in use, but use doesn't. Because I have use and I have use item. I was hoping to keep it slightly separate. I could always change it in the future. Choose an icon. Yeah, but the eye to me was more like you're looking for something. I was trying to find an icon. I couldn't find one that really fit. Like an undeniable, okay, this is exactly what this is. I know what it is. Well, the problem is, Hero, is that because you're able to change your controls mapping, like say you changed instead of your right mouse button, it was changed to, I don't know, space. Now I could technically, because, okay, that's the other thing. Now I was thinking, okay, why don't I just use the name of the button? So like the move button. It doesn't matter what you apply to it, like what key command, whatever. But then I'm like, but why would the switch say move? I guess I can call it like the move use button. I don't know. Yeah. Again, I'm just, interact doesn't necessarily have to stay. Thankfully, it's easy to change. Easy to find and change anyway. Should go 180. Just because the eye is the problem one. There we go. There. Okay, so let's try this again. And just to see what it looks like. It's going to look a little weird coming off. Actually, let me see these colliders. Where's the collider? Yeah, that's not bad. Because the player will be most likely clicking roughly where the arrow is, and the collider still hits it, so I'm fine with that. Transform, debug. Inside position, I'm going to move this from the facility. But yeah, sorry, Simplex. To answer your question, I don't have an exact date, but I feel I'm close. The problem is I need a good few more people playing the game. It's the wrong way over here. After I have what I believe to be a final build is. So hopefully people out there will help me out. I think I released a few beta keys, but there's a few people I haven't heard back from yet. So I think like in my head, I'm like, okay, maybe I've given away too many because I want feedback. And then as soon as you get to the part where like you give away keys and people aren't giving you feedback because either they're not playing or they just wanted a free key. Ah, see, it still says it because it's being tipped. Son of a bitch. It's because, yeah, because it's on an angle. The canvas is forced to look at the screen, so coming off the wall. I'll have to figure that out. Yeah, it's very annoying. The only other thing I can do, which I really don't want to do, is I can take, instead of making these world space canvases, I can just make them I can make them like screen overlay canvases, but do like a screen port to viewport. Is it screen view to, no, world's viewport to screen space. Is it screen space? No, damn it, what is it? It's viewpoint to world space. That's what I can do. Yeah. You guys haven't forgotten, have you? Shit, you bastard. You guys suck. I was hoping you guys would have forgotten by now. Yes, if I do that, if I pause it, and we'll look at that first switch. Yeah, see, it's bouncing. They're all bouncing through the wall because this is the way the canvas. So unless what if I put the text -250? If I put it there, it kind of looks like shit, doesn't it? I mean, it's better there. What if I put it next to the arrow? And we'll go that way. I don't know, what, 250 as well? No, a little bit further. 300? A little bit further, 350. Well, that's definitely going through the wall. Son of a bitch, it has to be above or below. Shit. Below makes the most sense now, but like, because that'll stay outside. That still kind of cuts a bit. Shit. I'm gonna hate that game, guys. I'm gonna really hate that game. I hate getting scared. I hate it. Fuck. I still have to buy it, by the way. Now, the other thing I can do is if I take the canvas and let's go local, and I raise the canvas up higher, take the text, put that at 250. So I'd have to raise, hold on. Let's go a little higher. I mean, that works if I put it right there. Oh, see, it's still cutting in ever so slightly. So at the very... I could just do that. I could just raise it. Yeah. Can I turn the... well, right now it's no. The text. It's the way all of the indicators work is they always point themselves towards the camera because they're world space. So you always want. So say like that was happening, right? But say the player didn't come up. The player came up onto that switch from say this side. and this canvas was only displaying this side, you actually wouldn't see the canvas because it's 2D. So that's why I have it following the camera. You can see the back of the light switch. That's funny. That's all, yeah. No worries, gamer. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe, stay happy, and all of that jazz. So I might just, for this one, if I do it there, this one, I can actually move that back over, I think. What happens if I put it there? I'll see that it still eats in a bit. Whoops. Yeah, see, it still eats in a tiny bit, so I gotta bring that slightly over there. That's not bad. I don't mind, although... Damn it. Unity's slow. There we go. Yeah, see how it's... I still have to bring it out there. Son of a bitch. Yeah. I might just do that. I think I'm just going to take that camera... Copy this. And I'm going to paste that there. No, it's okay, gamer. And again, if anyone out there does have a key, like I wasn't specifically calling anyone out saying like, oh, you guys suck, whatever. I understand people have other stuff to do. And I wasn't saying that you guys are just, you got a key and you, haha, free game, blah, blah, blah. I'm not, that's not what I was kind of getting at. But like, it's more along the lines of it's, it's more of a wake up for me saying, okay, wait, I got to hold back on keys now because I need to, make sure the people who are playing the game are going to be playing the version that is very super close to being released, so as to not burn out people who want to test the game. Because like playing the same game over and over and over again, it's not fun for anybody. So we're going to put that there. For the light switches anyway. Cool, I'm gonna save that. Save, okay, so. What was I going to say? Oh, one thing I wanted to do while we're here, let me log into the old Unity dashboard. Dashboard. And let's bring this up. I'm not sure if anyone can see this. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show anyone this. I don't care. Okay, so these are some of the bug reports people have sent in, which is great. I don't want cloud diagnostics though. I want analytics and I want data explorer. Go away. Oh, look at that. Users, yay. So we got a few users. Funnel analysis segments, event manager. Is that what I want? Yes. So I'm able to track, let's try to put this so everyone can see it. So these are all the things that I can find people doing in the game. So right now, wow, there's a lot of good things being tracked. Good. So what I can do is I can take all of these events that have happened. Now, not all of them have been triggered yet, but I can put them, I can create a funnel, I believe. I'm going to create a test one right now. Let's just create a custom funnel. And current event, yes. So the very first one should be maybe the jar of grease. The parameter is, oh, there's no parameter. So that'll be the first thing. The next one could be the water bottle. That's also an event. So basically all of the, let's just leave it at, actually we'll do one more funnel step. Well, what's after the water bottle? I don't know, the health pack, is it? Water bottle should be, what else is in there? Fuel container, no. Hammer, no. Gun, pry bar. There's gotta be another one in there. I thought, am I not tracking the health pack? Maybe I'm not. Anyway, wire snips, fuck it. It doesn't matter. This is just, we're just testing this. Oh, do I need a parameter? Oh, shit. Okay, I need to actually add a parameter. Shit. Okay, so basically all the events that I'm firing off. So when you pick up an item, do I have an item that I can just find here to show you guys? No, there's actually nothing to pick up here. Oh, it's because I'm not in items. So, hospital VIP card. So where is it when you actually pick it up? Analytics. So I can send a custom event here. What I should be doing is I believe I can also send a parameter. No, it's the position. Maybe it's event data. So what I need to do is actually I can remove all the ones that I currently have and create a parameter. So basically just like true. You know what I mean? Or 0 or 1 or whatever I want. It's some form of event data, and that way I can use all that data to track players' progress in the actual game from the dashboard, to show, okay, everyone gets to the part where they find the wire cutters, but no one's killed the boss, no one's killed the worm boss, which tells me either the worm boss is broken or the worm boss is too hard, or I don't know, you know what I mean? Like it's a nice easy way. Like normally in games, you just like, you know, level 1 started, level 1 finished, level 2 started, level 2 finished, and then you can put some other ones in there like boss killed, boss 1 killed, boss 2 killed. But for a game like this, I need to track people's progression for items. However, yeah, I can't use. Why can't I use? I didn't think. Why can't I save the funnel? Ensure your game sends standard and custom events to the funnel. You can send events using... Yeah, why can't... Oh, wait. Is it just because I don't have a name? Maybe I can just leave them like that. Name, test funnel. Oh, yeah, there we go. So I don't need parameters. What am I doing? Funnel submitted. So... it'll take up to a fucking day, unfortunately. So if I go here, what it'll do is, hopefully... Why can't I make a new game? Oh, Sundry, Simplex. The one that's on Steam right now, the playtest one, is just the survival mode. It's just a test combat, and that hasn't been updated since December. So, so yeah, what you'll be testing is an old build of yeah. So it's essentially a wave shooter that you build points. It's for leaderboards. Stonk Sacrament, yeah. Simplex, yeah, like the next time I give out beta keys, the beta keys that I'll be giving out are for the actual game release. I'll let everyone know. It'll be sooner than later. Since I get all this item or all the interactable things that I've been doing in this, I think I only have a few more scenes to go to do it, and then I'll put up another beta build, and we'll go from there. But anyway, so what'll happen is, unfortunately, there's no. It has to process all the data, whatever, blah 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 blah. But it'll actually show me progression. Like, you know, 65 people picked up the jar of grease, 45 people picked up the water, 0 people killed the spider boss, and that'll tell me, okay, they're able to get to this one point. And I guess this example, and not past that. So it's a nice way of showing. I can also track player deaths and all that stuff. Data Explorer. So I think I can actually track... Can I track events? Oh, custom event. Oh yeah, so jar of grease. And let's get rid of this one. So this is how many people found the jar of grease over the last few days. Since I started tracking it anyway. Now this could have been me. So this is also another way that I can, although that's a really bad one to track. Crude explosive. So you mean, so I can track events, like how many people have actually gotten it done. I can track it that way. It's a nice, like I said, player deaths is a good one. Game complete is also a good one. But yeah, anyway, I'm going off on tangents. Let's get out of here. At least I know the animation events that I'm sending are correct. I just have to make sure all of these items are named independently. Like instead of like manhole pry bar for sewer, I should actually put the scene name, because I use the same pry bar for each scene. But so right now I don't know which one is which. So thankfully I can just delete them all and start from scratch. But yeah, let's save that and let's hit that button, because that's the button we're hitting. Anyway, I wasn't paying attention to what you guys were talking about. Roblox? I feel... Oh. By the way, Simplex, I really hope you can beat Sundry's score. I think Sundry's leading in all the leaderboards. Yeah, I start around well, generally sometimes it's anywhere between 8:30 and 9:30 that I'll start. It's usually closer to 9 now. And then I finish up around anywhere between 11 and 11:30 depending. It's a shorter stream than I think than what was before. Just because I just have more obligations, unfortunately, at home and in the morning with the kids and whatnot. So yeah. 50 billion, holy Christ. So yeah, by all means, destroy his score, please, for the love of God. The controls, make sure you check the controls in the pause menu, just so you know what you're doing. You won't find every scene you get, you'll have access to different weapons. So you don't have to find any weapons, you just get them right from the get-go. So the hospital scene, I think you get a gun and a knife. The police station, you get a gun, a knife, and a shotgun. The trailer park, it's a gun, a knife, a shotgun, and a rifle. And the power plant is the gun, a rifle, shotgun, gun, a knife, the rifle, the shotgun, the submachine gun, and the last scene, you get all those weapons plus a minigun. But a minigun, you can't get any ammo. What the ammo you have is that's all the ammo you get. So, is that? It will be, yes, yeah. That'll be in the build. That'll be in the build with the completed game. So those scenes, those different parts only unlock. Like the hospital one will unlock when you beat the spider boss. The police station one will unlock when you kill the worm boss, essentially. So, and they're all achievements. When you kill the bosses, you get achievement, and the achievement is reward as you get the survival mode section. So, but yeah, they'll all be in the build. At least they should be. I haven't tested it. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tested it. I haven't done a full blown test session like for myself in a very long time. So. I've been relying too much on you guys. I shouldn't say too much. You guys have been fucking awesome. You guys have done a lot more than I thought you would. So thank you very much for all of your help. But what you're playing now, Simplex, doesn't have the ragdolls in. Doesn't have the ragdoll effect on the dead bodies. So like killing an enemy now feels so much better, especially when you do it with like a shotgun or like the minigun. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to end it on that for now. If anyone out there is new to the stream and they like what they saw in any way, shape, or form, please hit that follow button, subscribe, hit the bell, notify on YouTube, comment, share, do all those wonderful things. You can join up on the Discord. I think that link works now for news for when I will be giving out another round of beta keys for the full game. And for any other things that we do. We do a community game night this month. It'll happen on the 28th. And you guys have forced me into playing Phasmophobia. I always think I pronounce that name wrong. And I'm going to scream a lot. I hate being scared. I hate it. So we'll be playing that. Maybe not all stream. Depends. If you see me get up and take my headphones off, we'll probably jump into another game. But so there's that. So yeah, join the Discord for notification when we start that. And Wishlist the Caretaker. If you want to do a play test of the survival mode, it's up there right now on Steam. And like I said, beta keys will be going out sooner than later. So, but more importantly, just give it the old wish list. That would help me out a super ton. And if you want to support the stream in any way, you can you can send a tip at that link. And if you don't feel comfortable with that and you want something for your money, should you want it to allocate some my way, you can pick up maybe some cool swag, or be like Simplex there and get yourself a really kick-ass liquid dispenser squid monkey mug. I think I have a Caretaker mug too. I'm not sure. I think I haven't been to the store in a while, but I have to revamp it. I need some more. I want to get some dead zombie and dead enemy images on it. I think that would look pretty cool. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for all of your help, your support, and your time. I do appreciate it. Stay safe, stay happy, stay productive, and overall, don't be a dick, because we have too many of those on this planet as it is. I'll see you guys Sunday, hopefully with some fun stuff. But if not, expect the same piss poor level of mediocrity you always get, because that's the bar I set, and that's the bar I aim for. And if anything above that bar, it's icing. If anything below the bar, I don't even know why I'm trying to make a fucking game. So, good night, guys. Be excellent to each other. Excellent.